So in this video, I'll talk about conditionals, how many sentences we have, what kind of conditionals we have. So let's begin. So we'll study the types of conditionals, how we make such sentences and what are the each type, how we use the conditionals. Talking about four types, so we have zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. So let's begin, and you people will understand. When we talk about zero conditional, so it is always in the present tense. So if you stay in the rain, you'll get wet. So there's the concept of if and then, the cause and the effect. The next is first conditional. If I have enough money, I will go to safari trip next summer. Now the sentence or the clause with the if is in present, but the effect is in the future simple. The second conditional we have is if I won the lottery, I would travel the world. Now here comes the modal verb. So the clause which we have with the if word, it is simple past, and then with the cause clause we'll add the word would. The third conditional we have is the past perfect. If you had bought a study guide, you would have known which place to visit. So in the second conditional, which was like we used the word, and now in the third conditional we have placed the word have with word. So it is and with including the past participle like past simple. So past perfect would have then would or could have plus past participle. Now, zero conditionals include scientific facts, general truths, law of nature. The first conditional we have real situations to happen, which is mostly in the present tense or future. Now, in the second conditional, we have sometimes advices, sometimes unreal or imaginary situations, and unlikely to happen in the present or future. The third conditional we have is the imaginary situation in the past and regrets, unfulfillment plans, wishes. So if we do not have the word if, then what kind of words we can use is when this happens, that will happen. As long as I am here, I'll do this. On one condition, even if since it's raining, I won't go to the college. So these are the words. Until and unless I do not find a job, I won't go for shopping. So these are the words you can use instead of if. So if clause shows the condition and main clause shows the result. So we have types of clauses. One is independent and one is dependent. So the if clause is independent, and then the other main clause is dependent on it. It shows the condition. If this happens, that will happen. So like these are dependent independent clauses. The if clause can precede or follow the main clause. When it's at the beginning of the sentence, we put a comma at the if clause. When the main clause is first, no comma is used. This was all about my video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.